Hi, my sweet friends. Today I'm headed into Dollar General to check out the latest Patriotic Decor. And it looks like we've hit the jackpot. And we're going to take a look around at all these goodies. We're going to start with this sign here that just simply says hello with the blue stars and the red stripes. It was made out of MDF board and it was $8. It's large enough in size that you could actually use it on your front door. I also found these crocs for $6. They're calling them clogs, and they have the all-American colors of the red and white stripes and the blue stars. I think this is the first time I've ever seen shoes in the midst of seasonal decor. And just check out all these little soft plush throws, and they are very Americana. These are full of fireworks, and then we have the gnomes here. Now I wish they had a smaller picture so you could actually see what they would look like if we unfolded them. And this one has watermelons, and then we have the simple blue and white stripes, and it appears to have red and blue stars throughout. Using a seasonal throw is a quick and easy way to add in your seasonal decor. Now I also found these cute little shorts here with the red and white stars, and they were absolutely adorable. These will be perfect to wear them to go out to look at the fireworks, to work out in, or just to lounge around the house. And I also found this graphic t-shirt that just has the large USA lettering on the front, and it was also $6. A cute little set, quick put together outfit to go straight out the door. I also found these pretty stars. You could use them in your workplace to decorate. A cute idea would be to take 3 of these and create a elongated wreath. That would be a cute idea to use on your front door. And I thought this was a great price as well. I think Hobby Lobby has something similar, and I think it's like about $6 or $7. And of course, we have the gnomes. They are here on the scene. You get 2 styles, the one with the red and white stripe cap, and then you have this one with the blue and white stars. I typically don't do a lot of decorating for the Memorial Day, 4th of July holiday. I typically keep it very simple. I might decorate an entryway table. But this year, since I'm finding a lot of new patriotic decors with different styles, patterns, and designs, I'm motivated now to decorate my front porch in the patriotic theme. And as you know, 4th of July is right around the corner. And if you didn't get a chance to put anything up for Memorial Day, perhaps you might want to put up something for the 4th of July season. So leave a comment below if you're planning on decorating for the 4th of July season, and tell me what area of your home that you will be decorating. Leave a comment below. I'm really liking these glass jars. They are very simple, and I have used these jars before, and I'm glad to see that they're priced at $1. They are really good for storing items. Now look at this sassy hat here. It was full of sparkles with the bright silver stars and the combination of the red and blue, and it was $10. And they also had this second style that we're going to see in a few minutes here. So if you're somebody that really likes to go out, here's another option for some headgear. And this one here has more of the red and white striping, and it kept the silver stars. And boy, these hats were pretty sparkly. So if you wear these, you will definitely be noticed by others. I found some patriotic mesh in the solid red. I found some blue and red stripings here. These will be fun to add to a wreath or some garland, or if you're going to do a patriotic Christmas tree, this will be perfect to add as a filler in your tree so you won't have to come with so many ornaments. I also found these leaning porch signs here. They come in two styles. One simply says home sweet home in all the patriotic colors, and these were made out of MDF board and they were $5 each. And the second option is the simple flag design. These were nice size, and this would be perfect to add to your front porch, patio, or deck. I also found these little yard flags. And I'm really liking this glass cup here. It was large in size, and I like all the embossments throughout, and that price was excellent for $3. You get a little wood top and you get the glass straw. This would also make a nice gift. And I like these little mason jars. They were $1 each, and that was an awesome price as well. Great to store things in. And I also found these cute little plastic serving bowls. They were also $3. They came in two patterns here with the red, white, and blue stars, very patriotic, and the watermelon style. These would be great to have during a cookout. And I also found this serving tray here. You could also use this as a decor piece in your kitchen area. You could mount it against the wall, and it would be a perfect accent piece as well. And I found these cute little spatulas here in the patriotic theme. This one here had a little firework on it, and they were $1. Then we have the more Americana one, more representative of the American flag. And we have this option as well. It has the little doll with the little patriotic top hat on. And I also found one more that I almost overlooked, and this one here with all the stars. These will be perfect to add into your kitchen decor. Now these plush throws here really caught my eye. This one is the Charm Blow Pop. How classic is that? And I thought these were very soft to the touch. And then we also found this one here. This is Icy. Isn't that so iconic? Don't you just love those colors? And this one here was by Betsyville, and it says this particular one is a Patriotic throw here. Don't you just love all the popsicles and the sundaes with the cherry on it and the buffalo check pattern bows? And this was another patriotic version here with the sunglasses, the American flag, and the windmill. I thought they were also adorable and sweet. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all have a safe and wonderful Memorial Day weekend. And if you enjoy this video, how about give it a big thumbs up? And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until the next video, happy decorating.